Standard 6th Subject Social Science, Chapter number 16, Local Self-Government. Part 3. In previous part we have learned about Taluka Panchayat, District Panchayat and various schemes of Taluka Panchayat. Today we are going to learn about Social Justice Committee and Urban Administration. Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat, whereas District Panchayat work for the rural areas or the villages, whereas urban administration where municipality or municipality corporation works for its development. The Social Justice Committee is responsible for creating and implementing the schemes so that weaker section of society can get education, health, social and economical facilities. This committee is made up of 5 members at level of Taluka Panchayat and District Panchayat. The formation of Social Justice Committee is compulsory at all the 3 levels of Panchayati Raj. That means this committee works in Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat and District Panchayat. It gives justice to the people. Next is urban administration, where the work for the development of city and town are held. There is municipality in cities having the population of 1 lakh or more, and corporation in the cities having population of 5 lakh or more. Elections are held after every 5 years and voters of city have voting rights can participate in the election. First we will learn about corporation. This corporation in the city generally having the population up to 25,000 or more. Minimum number of candidates in corporation is 28. Formation of corporation. The areas of municipality are divided into various wards on the basis of population. One ward consists of 4 members in which 2 seats are reserved for women. President and vice presidents are selected from the elected members. The president's time period is of 2.5 years. He is the chairman of the corporation. Various committees are formed under the elected members, and the elected members will supervise the work of various committees assigned to them. Executive committee, the committee which works or which supervise the work done by the other committees. Finance committee which provide finance for the various activities. Health and hygiene committee, construction committee used to make various public facilities such as roads, water pipes, bus station, etc. He is appointed by the state. The head of the municipality is considered as the chief officer. He is appointed by the state government. The work of municipality are as follows. First, to supply water. Second, to manage the road, disposal of wastewater and sanitation system, registration of birth, death and marriages. We can get birth certificate, death certificate and marriage certificate from municipality. Town planning and education management. It is also seen by municipality. Fire extinguisher, action against the sale of inedible items, etc. Providing facility of garden and library. Construction and maintenance of cultural building and auditoriums. There are town hall, theatres, government theatres, etc. These facilities are given by the municipality. Next is municipality corporation. Previous we have learned about municipality and now we are learning about municipal corporation. Both are 2 different offices. Municipality works in the place where there is population up to 25,000 or more, whereas municipal corporation works where population is where wards population is more than 75,000. The number of members in a corporation is decided on the basis of population. Members of corporation are known as councillor or corporator. The head of corporation is called mayor. There are 8 corporations, municipality corporations in Gujarat. Composition or formation. The municipality is divided into different wards. A ward is the area having population up to 75,000, means each ward has minimum or up to the population of 75,000. There are 4 members, out of them 50% are reserved for female members. All voters in the city can vote in poll and elect their own local councillor. Members elected from different wards elect the mayor through majority. The mayor holds the post for 2.5 years. Various committees are formed from elected members, among which standing committee is the most important. Functions of municipal corporation is to maintain public hygiene and sanitation, provision and distribution of pure drinking water, drainage system, cleanliness, construction and maintenance of roads, arrangement of street lights, primary education, construction of library, playground and gardens, control adulteration in edibles, registration of birth, death and marriages. The function of municipality and municipal corporations are similar to great extent, but it works according to the population of the town or city. Next is the most important position in the district, and that position is of collector. Collector is the administrative head of the district. Each district has one collector. Besides being collector, he or she work as the district magistrate and district election officer. Candidates are selected through UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission, or through promotion. He or she are appointed by the state government. It is the collector's duty to ensure that there is no shortage of essential commodity in the district. Following is the role of district collector in Panchayati Raj. Coordinates and manages the work of all the departments at district level. Collector is the secretary of district planning committee. It determines the number of members of Gram Panchayat, allots the reserved seats in Gram Panchayat. He determines to reserve the position of Sarpanch for scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, socially and educationally backward class and women. In this way, collector work for the development of whole district and supervise all the panchayat of the district. Next position is of Mamlatdar. Mamlatdar is an administrative head of taluka level. Collector is the administrative head of district level. Mamlatdar is the administrative head of taluka level. His or her selection is done through the examination of GPSC, that is State Public Service Commission. Mamlatdar is a revenue head of taluka, which is made up of average group of 50 villagers or more. As an executive magistrate, he is directly responsible to the collector for the maintenance of law and order. Prepares the voter list for this election of local self-government, conducts election, provide various types of certificates, manages the midday meal in primary schools, and relieve the operations at the time of natural disaster. Last is Lok Adalat. It is established with the view to impart justice to the poor, socially and backward people. victim of natural disasters, people having low income, etc. Lok Adalat are the best option to solve disputes without going to the court. People can solve the disputes in Lok Adalat and they do not have to take these steps to process in the court. They can also make solution of their problems in short term with the help of Lok Adalat. Long-term cases are disposed in such a way. Therefore, solution comes eagerly. No expense in there to file a case in it. Long pending case in court affairs are resolved and settled satisfactorily. Lok Adalat frees the parties and witness from the difficulties to frequent visits to the court. When settlement and agreement does not become possible, then Lok Adalat takes up the case in hand and decides the judgment that is acceptable to all the parties. The order of Lok Adalat is the final order. A permanent Lok Adalat has been established in the district of the state Gujarat by Gujarat Bar Association and Gujarat High Court Ahmedabad. There is no fee to file a case in Lok Adalat or to take any actions. In this way, people can gain justice in short period of time without wasting their money and time in the disputes. And the solution can make the satisfied to each and every party included in the dispute. In this way, local self-government works for the rural and urban areas in different ways to give the basic facilities of water, road, hygiene, primary education, food, and many other basic facilities to each and every people of the state, city, and villages. In this way, local self-government works in different positions and different heads work for the different areas. Here, this chapter is completed. You have to write all the questions related to this chapter in your workbook.